Hey guys, welcome to my apartment. Come on in. I live in the heart of Toronto on a main floor apartment with my partner, 2 cats and a dog. And plants are what I love. My love for plants, or like just collecting plants in general, started probably when I moved in here, mostly. Like I was collecting plants before that, but then it went out of control 2 years ago when I moved in here, and then it just started like building and building on it. I run an Instagram account called Leaves and Bones, and mostly it's about my house and my plants and my love for plants. Sometimes I like talk about how to care for your plants, and then a lot of time it's just about like the decor and how it's set up and the style of the plants. There's a kitchen, bathroom, living room, bedroom, and it's probably over like 120 plants that I have. Well, right now we're in the kitchen. I love the island because it creates a lot more counter space because we do a lot of cooking and a lot of hosting. Anytime you have people over, they always like congregate in the kitchen and make drinks. We have like a cocktail stand over there, so we usually tend to hang out by the island and stuff, which is really nice. And then the dining area is mostly just for like my crafts and DIY projects and whatnot. I love to DIY because it keeps me like content. It gives me something to do. It's another like creative outlet for myself. I just love putting on music and sitting and, you know, doing something kind of tedious. All right, let's go to the living room. Welcome to the living room. The design style in this space, I think, is leaning more towards the eclectic side. It's kind of got a combination of everything, like the kitchen, but I feel it's like more towards the eclectic style, yeah. If there's any room in this house, other than my bedroom, that makes me feel more like at home, is probably in this room. A lot of styling is revolved around my plants, I feel. I like to style around, like if I get a bigger plant, I like to kind of style around that plant, or just like rearrange to make it better. Even like for my plants too, like they need more light or something, I need to like rearrange to put them more in the light and put ones like further away from the light. So there is a lot of skulls throughout this room that you'll see like when you're looking. Up here, like I have a few. One I got from Germany, one I got at a marketplace, and then the other one my sister found for me. And then there's like a collection of them over here. There's definitely a lot of connection to nature in my home, especially with the plants and with the skulls. I think like growing up up north in the country and being outside all the time, I kind of like to bring that inside to give it more of like an earthy element to it a bit. This one is just new, like I just put this up not too long ago because I found like a bunch of these things recently. Like I bought this one off of Facebook Marketplace, which is amazing actually for finding like cool things. And then a couple are just like from thrift store finds and stuff. And then yeah, I kind of kept with like the gold theme mostly. Still with the plant theme as well. All right, let's go to my favorite place in the house. And this is my bedroom. Lately I've been DIYing a lot of like wall hangers, like macrame, and then I sew cushions and curtains and I make jewelry, so. I think my house brings out like a lot of content feelings within me. Like it makes me feel really satisfied and comfortable. And I like to be really surrounded by things that are like kind of nostalgic as well. It kind of brings you back to like a little simpler time, I feel. Almost kind of like you're at your grandma's place, but a lot cooler. This home is special to me because it's kind of, well, it's a home, first of all, for my partner, my cats, and my dog, and myself. And because it is a place that makes me feel like really comfortable at home, and it is like a part of me, like I've put a lot of myself into it, so it's why it's special to me. Home is definitely where the heart is, for sure. I think like a home is somewhere where you can go like after, you know, a hard day and just like sit down and relax and feel super comfortable and at ease. Oh, and I paint too, yeah.
By the way, jack of all trades.
Yeah.